Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the penguins and have had a go at the quiz to see how your data collection skills match up. What we're going to do now is we're going to run through what your data means. Um, and in order to do that, I have graphed up a relationship between the order that the individual reaches the tray and the number of fish that that individual eats. And we can see the beginnings of a trend that is really, really important for understanding the evolution of personality and really quite obvious. You see, individuals that reach the tray first tend to get more food. Now, based off just your data, it's not a very compelling, it's in fact quite a weak relationship. However, we've collected hours of footage and observation of penguins at the deep, and we can say with some certainty that bold individuals are better fed and to have better body condition because they're much more likely to go to feeding situations first and to stay there longer. So we have potentially a relationship between a personality trait and fitness. You see, bold individuals are better fed, and fitness is strongly related to feeding ability. But in that instance, why might we have evolved shyness as well? And in order to answer that question, we need to look at penguins outside of their captive environment in their natural environment. You see, whilst feeding is important for natural selection, it is equally important to make sure that you are not being fed upon. You see, the primary predator of gentoo penguins in their natural environment is the leopard seal. And it's highly likely that shy individuals are much less likely to be predated upon than bold individuals because they'll spend less time in feeding situations and less time exploring, which are two of the primary situations in which an individual is likely to be predated upon. So we have now a relationship between boldness and fitness and shyness and fitness, and we might actually be able to have a situation in which both of these personality traits are adaptive, and this occurs in a cyclical fashion. You see, imagine a scenario in which we have lots and lots of penguins but very few predators. The primary driver of fitness in this situation is going to be competition for food, competing with other penguins to eat as much as possible. So in this environment, the bold individuals are going to be favoured by natural selective processes. However, under this environment, there's lots of food available for the predator, so their population is going to increase. And at some point, the primary driver of mortality is going to switch from competition for food to escaping predators. Now, as the predator population increases, they exert lots of predatory pressure on the penguins, and the penguin population will decrease. And as that population decreases, competition for food decreases, favouring the shy individuals, but that also means that there's less food available for the predators. So they're going to start to decline in a delayed fashion as well. And as they decline, predatory pressure decreases, and the primary driver of fitness switches once again from predation back to competition for food. And this happens in a cyclical fashion. And in this way, we can explain the evolution of boldness syndromes from shy to bold and not just one or the other. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Thank you very much for taking part, and I hope to see you guys in September. But otherwise, take care and let us know if you have any questions.